So there we go, all hoovered up and cleaned back up. Dust sheets are all put away. So as you can see, I had a little, there was a little sticky shelf that just went on here. So I've bought a little corner shelf, which is here. Once I've fitted it, I'll take it back off and repair the wall, but I don't want to repair the wall first in case I drill the holes in the wrong place. So I've not fit a corner shelf like this. First problem I've seen, my corner of my room isn't perfectly 90. I'm going to go with the sliding side onto the flat wall, and then however it meets here, I'll just let the screw out a bit to pick up. This was cost me £6, I think it was. Have a little look at the instructions. So once the screw head's in like that and into place, that part there looks like it's the same line as here. So I'm going to do a level line from the corners out, and that's where I'm going to do my fixings. Level line there. Should have marked how far the shelf was out so I didn't draw past it, which I probably just have. Yep, I have. Right, I don't have a tape measure on me. I can't bother to go downstairs and get one. So I'm going to put that like that, which is its final place. And I'm going to mark where the screw's finishing after the screw goes in, and then, so after it goes in and slides, the screw hole where I want it to finish. So if it was there and there, and then this side is just there. So I'm going to go with that. Obviously you don't want to go drilling in a wall if you're not sure if there's any pipes or cables. So say that goes in the depth of the plug, it's going to stick out the wall a bit, so I only really need to go about the depth of the plug, maybe a touch more. Let's just put the screw in, see if I've got enough depth. Right. What I'll do is I'm going to leave them out a bit and then put the shelf on, feel how much play there is, and then tighten them up by hand to make the shelf fit a bit tighter. That's my plan. This is why I didn't want to repair the wall first, because I've actually marked it slightly off. Might be my angle from where I'm working around the camera. I've marked it too far to the walls. The heads aren't in the same place. So I actually need to come back literally the space of a plug. I have to drill another screw next to it, another plug, which isn't ideal, but it's here. Right, so I've put another screw next to it there. Now they should line up. So put that on there, which is on. Slide it over, up and down onto that screw. That's it. It's actually quite tight, so I'm going to leave the screws exactly where they are. Thanks for watching. As you can see, just one small mistake, but mistakes happen. Should have double checked them before I drilled them, because I didn't, and obviously evidently one of them wasn't quite in the right place. But yeah, that's it.